Feel uninvited.
Number of coins and tokens are available in CoinMarketCap, which offered gaming theories but they don't have real use and value in our daily life. And the most important thing is price equilibrium. The coin RC Rising coin, which I am going to share with you in this video, has a real value and also has a price equilibria on daily basis by which the price of tokens will increase steadily. So you must have to know each and everything regarding this new cryptocurrency Rising coin, and I will share all the things. But before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. First of all, basically the Rising coin is a new cryptocurrency with an innovative approach to game theory, market making and automated marketing to create a constant upward pressure on its price. There are a number of key features, but first of all, you have to look around on the ICO marks. Here it got up to 5.1 ranking and it has its own main net. So it is a great thing. Here comes the entire total supply of the RC coin. And in phase 1, for example, if you want to buy this coin directly, you can buy easily from their main platform. Basically on 18th of July 2020, the whole thing will basically start, the ICO will start, and you can easily purchase this coin RC at the price of 0.20 US dollars. So it is a great thing, and you have multiple options. You can buy this coin in Ethereum pair and also in BTC and fiat. So it has a multi options. If you want to buy this coin, you can buy it directly from the main platform of the Rising coin. But here you can also see the next thing, that if you basically buy this coin, if you will buy the coin in the phase 4, then you have to pay 0.75 US dollar for 1 RC. So basically my option and also you can say my recommendations are this, that if you want to buy this coin directly, buy it right now on 18th of July 2020, because at this time the price is very low, so you can grab multi and also you can grab number of RC coins very easily directly from the platform. No need of KYC or anything, you just have to sign up and easily you can buy this coin Rising coin directly from the main platform. Now, what are the key features of the Rising coin? I will share the link of the main platform where you can read each and everything, and also if you want to read something more on the white paper, here you can see the option of the white paper. And if you want to know about the about the main themes and the work, that how it will work, how the Rising coin will work, you can read all the things in the white paper. So first of all, what are the key features of the Rising coin? A store of value coin designed for traders and speculators, self-pumping game theory managed by smart contracts, automated self-marketing managed by smart contracts. So what Rising coin is not, it is not a utility token, it is not a security token, it is not a mineable token, it is not a stakeable coin, it is not a masternode coin. So basically it has new features, so it will definitely work in the future. So what are the other key features of the RC? Now I will tell you both of them, the whale and also about the marketer. So first of all, what is whale all about? So basically the whale is a smart contract which can mint and sell coins on exchanges. The whale is the only way to increase the coin supply, and it does its job with a twist. Each day it increases its sale price 1% higher relative to previous day with respect to US dollar. Best case, in which price moves close to the whale's price, in this case there is a controlled move upwards. When price hits the whale's price, this means traders are buying from the whale's supply. When price moves away from the whale's price, this means flow is zero, scarcity increases and natural market forces move price up. So in all the cases, basic thing is this, that every time basically any type of trade will occur, the price will go high. So it is a great thing regarding this coin. Now I will tell you about the marketer. The marketer turns all Ethereum obtained by selling RC into marketing activities. Any Ethereum entering the project will be divided into a low percentage development and exchange deployment fees. much larger percentage will go to marketing. Heavy marketing will not only increase the project's share but also increase the size of the market. So here comes the each and everything about the rising coin, that how it will work. So here you can see about the main thing, marketing. Basically they are allocating up to 85% of their funds towards the marketing, and also development 5%, and exchange deployments only and only 10%. And here comes the entire roadmap that how it will work. So it is a great thing, and if you want to know something more, and if you want to ask each and everything, here comes the entire, you can say, team. If you want to talk with them, you can directly message them and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. And as I am telling you each and everything, that first of all, right now on 18th of July 2020, basically the ICO will start and you have the chance to buy this coin, RC coin. 1 RC is equal to 0.20 US dollar, and basically you can buy this coin, RC coin, in multi options, in fiat, in BTC, and in Ethereum. So it is a great chance to grab this coin right now. And if you have any type of more questions, you can ask from me in the in the comment section. And also you have the other option that you can directly message the team and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. So I will share the link of the main platform, and secondly I will basically share the link of the ICO marks. And if you want to find out directly from the ICO marks, here you can you just have to write the rising coin, and here it comes in front of you, where you can find out each and everything on their website, and also you can read all the things on the main platform. I hope you like this video, and if you love this video and like this video, kindly share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.